First, let me say I wasn't 100% sure if I really needed this rice robot, but let me tell you, I'm so glad I took the splurge and purchased it. This is the 1 quart capacity with stainless steel steamer tray. It also comes with 2 measuring cups and a recipe book with 60 recipes, and of course, the serving spoon as well. We cook so much rice in our home, whether it's for dinner, whether it's for lunch, or even for dessert. We cook so many different kinds. One of the things I really appreciated about it was the small and compact this was. It really doesn't take much room up on your counter, so it's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs. It's so compact, it literally will fit absolutely anywhere. And it also has a very modern feel to it. The other cool thing is that it's equipped with a click and cook. So literally when you have all your ingredients in, you're just going to literally click the button and it's going to cook. Perfectly cooks the grains every time, eliminating the worry of burning, overcooking, and undercooking. It is so easy to do. You're literally going to put your cups of rice and water in and all the ingredients, whether you're making like I am here. This is actually a mushroom rice that's out of the cookbook. And let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious, but it was so simple to make. You're just going to literally put everything into the pot, give it a stir, and you're going to close the lid and click the button. This is the perfect size for a family of 4. Or even somebody who's individual. This is the perfect rice cooker for that. Larger families than 4, I would recommend the 2 quart. But literally the rice was absolutely delicious. And the best part was the cleanup was so easy. This is dishwasher safe, the inside. So super easy. You don't have to scrub it a bunch because of the ceramic nonstick surface. Definitely makes cleanup a breeze. Literally, you're just going to press the button to cook. Once it's done, the worm will illuminate and you know that your rice is ready. The part is the steamer tray as well. Not only can you cook vegetables, but you can make things like oatmeal, mac and cheese, and even poultry, seafood. If you were looking for a versatile, really good quality rice cooker that can do so much more than just cooking rice, I highly recommend that you check out the Rice Robot. This personal cooker you will not be disappointed in.